The reason you don't trust yourself is because you keep breaking promises to yourself. Think about that. You promise yourself you'll change. You promise yourself you'll start. You promise yourself you'll wake up early. You promise yourself you'll be disciplined. And then you don't. Not once. Not twice. Again and again. And slowly, something dangerous happens. You stop believing you. You start feeling weak. Not because you are weak, but because you keep proving to yourself that you can't be trusted. That's why motivation doesn't work. Because motivation is temporary. But self-respect is permanent. And self-respect is built one way. By doing what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence increases. Every time you break it, your identity breaks a little too. You don't need a new plan. You need a new standard. A standard that says, I don't negotiate with my future. Because the truth is, your future is watching. Every day, watching what you tolerate. Watching what you delay. Watching how easily you quit. So start small. Stop trying to change your whole life in one day. Just keep one promise. One workout. 1 hour of focus. 1 day without excuses. One disciplined choice. Do that consistently, and something will happen. You'll start trusting yourself again. And once you trust yourself, you become unstoppable. Because when you believe in you, you don't need anyone else to push you. You become your own motivation. So stop waiting for the perfect mood. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Keep your word. Not for the world. Not for applause. But for you. Because you deserve a version of yourself that doesn't quit. If you're ready to keep your promises, like the video, subscribe, and comment, I keep my word.